Hello, automotive enthusiast. 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG. Can the electric G Wagon conquer serious off-road mountain trails? For decades, the G Wagon earned its reputation the hard way. Military roots, mechanical locking differentials, a brutal body-on-frame chassis capable of climbing terrain that would embarrass most luxury SUVs. It wasn't built to look tough. It actually was tough. But now, the impossible has happened. The legendary Mercedes-Benz EQG arrives fully electric. No V8 thunder. No growling exhaust echoing through mountain valleys. Just 4 electric motors and near total silence. And honestly, that makes this one of the most controversial luxury SUVs Mercedes-Benz has ever created. Because electrifying a G-Class sounds exciting in a showroom. But mountain trails don't care about marketing. So we pushed the 2026 EQG deep into steep, jagged off-road terrain to answer one critical question. Can an electric G-Wagon still behave like a real G-Wagon? And immediately, the experience feels surreal. The iconic boxy silhouette remains untouched. The upright windshield, exposed hinges, and intimidating stance still command the road exactly like the traditional G-Class. But the moment the trail begins, everything changes. Instead of roaring up rocky climbs with brute force combustion power, the EQG attacks obstacles with silent precision. And honestly, it feels almost unnatural at first. Each wheel operates independently through a sophisticated quad motor setup, allowing the SUV to distribute torque with microscopic accuracy. Traditional locking differentials are replaced by software-driven torque vectoring, reacting faster than any mechanical system possibly could. And the results are shocking. The EQG crawls over loose rock and uneven terrain with almost surgical control. There's no wheel spin chaos. No hesitation. Just smooth, relentless traction constantly adapting beneath the surface. It feels less mechanical. And more intelligent. But extreme off-road capability means nothing if the battery system overheats under pressure. So we pushed the EQG through sustained mountain climbs, technical descents, and repeated low-speed crawling to examine thermal stability under real stress. Because heavy EVs generate enormous heat during difficult terrain. And surprisingly, Mercedes engineered this system exceptionally well. Battery temperatures remained controlled, torque delivery stayed consistent, and the high-voltage architecture handled punishment without noticeable power loss. That's critical. Because fake off-road luxury SUVs collapse once conditions become serious. The EQG doesn't. Then there's the cabin. And honestly, this might be the strangest contrast of all. Outside, you're climbing jagged mountain trails. Inside, it feels like a futuristic luxury lounge. Ambient lighting glows softly across premium materials while active noise isolation removes nearly all environmental harshness. Without engine vibration dominating the experience, the off-road journey becomes eerily calm. And maybe that's the biggest revelation here. The EQG doesn't try to modernize the G-Class by softening it. It modernizes it by making capability feel effortless. After spending serious time with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQG, one conclusion becomes impossible to ignore. The future of hardcore off-roading may no longer sound aggressive. But it has never felt this technologically unstoppable.